Sure, it's my dear son, man.
Sure.
Yeah, time is what I...
See your friend there, baby.
So, come now here, they're going to drive back.
Yeah.
Never can tell that car, put on similar territory.
Yeah.
Again, you know.
Yeah.
But the rest of this, you know, our opinion girl, me and she there, you know. Yeah, but she bad, I wrote her.
You want me there?
Yeah, I wrote her, she can be a father.
You want me there?
Yeah.
I'm come cook for you.
Nah, yeah. So anytime you get him hearing
You
you.
want me there? I'm come cook for you.
Yeah, they're ready, you know.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, every time no man took it, I look at myself, you know, and see what it do for me in a bread, and I want to see them come round there, you know.
Stop.
Don't catch that thing.
Hold on, wait.
Yeah, man, that's it, and the brethren. Every time it's something that's enough more to make gain, you see I couldn't when you eat, man. I remember can't do my bottom, you know. Yeah, man, you're clever, that man. My family, them not eat for me. You should chat to them, make it to the pebble of them. Man, go buy wood, probably go to get me game and go buy. I'm cool as stung by myself, I'm in there, so. 50 years, I'm stuck in this, you know.
50.
Come over, you know, and I eat man that come, met with no type of bread in bread. I mean, in family spar, fish rye, and them now, you know, carry all them granny. I told them I put my cat in the bread in. Me and tell her, I 3 days with them, I'm just in the bread in. Me heart put tears them, I say, boy, I want tears. Me don't in a hole. Can't come out, you know.
Yeah.
Send around, come take me to the hole. Yeah, man.
So now you come out of the hole now?
No, thank every time, you know, to pour out the Almighty, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm there, man, because I never gone back from there. You say, give thanks and praise to pour out the Almighty every time, you know. You see, and tell you that I do to travel a mighty long to go. Because the gift of God, eternal life. So we are there, man. Yeah, man, tell the brother that's it.
Yeah.
In a hard road to travel, and a mighty long way to go. The gift of God is eternal life. Not sure that Father can't die.
Yeah.
Everlasting life, see it. But so it's very, very yeah, man.
Everlasting. But Amigo, love when you keep the place clean.
God name, you know, time, you know. See, like, yeah.
Yeah, I love when you keep the place clean, Amigo.
And then the boy got that. The two prison door, as the captain free. He made like the people to walk, and he made a blind to see, and he made him to hear, and he hear to see. What a mighty God we got. See, brother, yeah, man, get ready to put it.
Amigo.
Boy, until the time they have no trouble cooking, you know, see? No problem, you know, brother. Yeah, man, got blown that I tell you, man.
One stove?
Yeah, did I bring that cook and give me bread to man, give me some.
We gotta buy one hot plate for you.
Yeah, not see it. I took my want and them things there, not see it.
I'm gonna buy one hot plate for you, yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna buy a hot plate. And somebody send a hearing aid, but you don't reach it. For your ears? Yeah? Yes. Someone send one, but you don't reach as
I say, me daddy, we can't tell you, know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I go down a river town, I'm here today.
Yeah.
That's a color bed. Me move today.
You have to go to the first.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
The railing.
Oh.
Yeah. See, because me tell brother say boy it was no more man to try, you know what? Now I say to piece and piece, me have to find a bucket, you know what?
Yeah.
Quite a safe dark rock. Chip the baby that fight and get it back in the head. Yeah, but that tell about. I say no, me get more than brother more leadership I want to you know. I put na the code of brother. I say no man, me never buy something I eat. Me never buy got him buy all the juice I left back at the back let you know. Yeah man, run out all the them never back there man the food. Run out.
Amigo.
I say yeah. But I would they carry out some lighter than a juice of them to them guy car. Yeah, I love it cooking already. Right, come with them because they cook boy they go play. And you know, I make out anything you know. I mean, I'm ignorant, no brother.
You can cook we buy the hot plate.
Hot plate?
Yeah. And you get this, you go cook your food.
Yeah, what me I tell you, brother, you see that plate? Yeah. So brother come like it's where they get hot. What I wear about over there?
Yeah.
Problem. Me say more time people come around and more for me. And me there for me put them.
So you want 2 burner stove?
Yeah?
You want 2 burner stove?
But I told I will get them more about 2 burner. 2 burner I not say can't they get 2 and that place.
But you not space to put the gas stove.
You put that man.
No.
You want burn on the place?
No man, we are taking me that. I serious man.
So when you cook, you put it on the veranda.
I can bring it out.
I bring no cook and coat of the quiet, but I can't see that. I don't take the boy car like a cartoon, but they would see what be the body. Yes, now they brother. But I'm not that get them for that my every time. Yes,
Amigo, if you buy the stove and you want to cook, if you make lime, you put it on the veranda, you cook, then you put it by the stove inside.
Yeah, that's it.
So you have to do it, you can't cook in the house.
Why, quarter?
The gas stove, I put it there, so look.
Right, that's all.
Yeah.
Outside here.
So tell me, read me, you can't come to the house.
Because it will burn down the house.
That means it make me a light and light the place of fire then.
Hey, Amigo, pull that tag.
You know, my look at Kentucky case up the road up town and they say, me go, they can't, they buy him still alive. Turn on your gas stove.
Yeah.
I say, I know somebody still.
Alright, well, I buy a 2 burner stove for you. And any burn the place?
No,
know it gone.
I'm not burn on the plate, man, because I got tracking on. Because I will stand by your side and show you.
Yeah.
We do it, not say, it's mad in my girl.
Yeah.
And get a girl to come call the food, and not say, mad in you understand?
So you're ex out with who will come cook the food for you? Which one are we?
See?
I must jella.
Which one are we come cook the food for you?
So when you come cook, you cook, you know, say, my friend, that man, we ballast, you know, say, yeah, what time in time to talk, I time to talk, you know.
Yeah.
She like a judge, you know.
Oh, Jella.
Yeah, man, see, man. And that data both time, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that and all the next time that told me.
Yeah.
And God will just come back school. I don't sure about that theater, you know.
Yeah.
So time more time, you know. No serious.
So Jella, you need to change Jella. You need to smile more. Amigo, no, Jella.
Them thing they not it.
Amigo.
Cook on dinner and juice and not it.
So you have that there? So that is from Nurse Jackie. From Nurse Jackie.
Say thanks, Nurse Jackie.
Huh?
Say thanks, Nurse Jackie. Tell her.
Nothing. Cause right now we're not saying.
It's not here.
Thanks, Jackie in the back. These are my because
Amigo, I give you a joke.
when we respond to the stove argument, we go
Well,
on.
but
Catch him no.
Well, if I chubby, I chubby in there.
Watch a piece of them and drink.
Yeah.
Set up to that though.
What's the point?
Voilà, comme ça. Right. Yeah. Mà có mà ra biết mà kẹt cái là cả chả biết là cầm bài được mà quay tao chỉ đó. Yeah. Thì nó thì.
Quality.
Mình nói chỉ mà chơi là check lại em tiếng đấy chúng ta đi về.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come.
Pop it in.
Yeah, so boy. Dạ, mình nói chơi.
Amigo. 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 Amigo, we got money for you.
Yeah, because I'm not going to say I give thanks to the time, but not say it. Yeah. I like come out the food, I don't want to know one, two times, anything they not say it.
Yeah.
Yeah, come out there, brother,
So-
right, not near now, right then.
Yeah.
Not say it. Yeah, they don't bring that to them now, no
Top of
man.
the golden age.
All
Yeah.
my so that man.
Yeah,
See them now, no man.
Yeah, Amigo.
Big good you to know.
Quote this film. This is $10,000. Put it in on your account. It from Makeup by Michelle.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's it. What be that? Yeah, kind of kind of no, I take on can make keep the road at them the lab at them more not it. Yeah,
Yeah.
time not it. Yeah,
So that is from Makeup by Michelle.
That's it.
And Esther, you can take
And
thanks
see the
Makeup by
creative,
Michelle
that's
from
it.
the US.
Yeah, but time
Thanks Makeup by Michelle from the US.
Okay. So this we
And
have,
that not one, not it. The one.
we have $3,000 from Sandra. So count that for him. $3,000 from Sandra.
30.
30, yeah,
Yeah, it's right.
From Sandra. So that is from Sandra.
Thanks Sandra from the US.
Yeah.
No one to try come here. Me go want get you my reach the car or never like it.
More money again.
Yeah.
Anytime Amigos, the money is
No way I
mad,
didn't
yeah.
return them no more than I poor they my
Yes, that's $6,000
I
from
bring them around. From
Yeah.
Daddy.
from Clive from the UK.
60.
Hold on.
What money there?
5.
Great Sierra. Yeah, well. Great Manley.
Yeah.
Nah, they have great achieve. Nah, no,
That's a
yeah,
Kino.
man.
Who this come from?
Some Clive from the UK.
Thanks Clive from the UK.
Yeah, for Amigo donation. Amigo. Amigo.
Yeah,
Look again.
More again.
More again. Amigo. This is from Nana. This is Nana from the UK.
Yeah.
$2,000. No, $1,500. Sorry.
Great nanny.
Yeah. Hmm? Oh, that one I work in. Wrong one again. Sorry.
So thanks Nana.
So, where do we like? We can't come kaya, but we don't say the call them 12, you know.
1,200?
Yeah, 1,200 feet, you know.
For a bag of coal?
I get contact, I just call a beer for that contract, making carry the call, they come. Me and Karen.
Okay.
You know, say, when I first
So it's
meet.
cheaper.
Yeah, you know, say, that make you wood back call about the buy. Say them buy, guys, they buy them know that up. I'm telling you, one, them are bad.
Yeah, so you want to get
It's
it
up,
cheaper.
they buy them for. You know, say, yeah, no, that no. Come, say, that woman want for 50, 70. You better tell me, me was care for 11.
So mad.
I know what brother come say that 180.
Mm.
And to buy it for them,
And
to
she
me,
buy it.
yeah. So I tell them what the man put them stuff out there, no serious business, you know.
Mm.
That's why they couldn't let any fish fry.
Mm-hmm.
They them that look. You know.
So thanks all the donors.
Yeah, give thanks and praise
for
to the
reaching
brother
out
every
to
time.
Amigo.
Yeah, man.
Amigo give me so much love just now, boy.
But yeah, I don't know, I want to put the car never some juice to drink.
Yeah.
Juice in there. I don't know.
Yeah. Alright, Amigo. Take care, here.
And I play every time. Say, yeah. Don't know, say,
Don't know.
yeah, sure, it's bad, yes, it's bad.
Sure, sure.
Yeah, every time this what I...
See your friend there, baby.
So, come now, we are doing a job,
Yeah.
Never can tell that car, put on similar territory.
Yeah.
Again, you know.
Yeah.
But the rules on this, you know.
Yeah.
Our half in here, girl, me and she there, you know. Yeah, but she bad, baby, I run her.
You want me in?
Yeah, I would
me-
have kid be a father.
You want me there?
Hello.
I'm come cook for you.
Nah, yeah. So anytime you get him hearing
You
you.
want me there? I'm come cook for you.
Yeah, ready, no, no. No, see that get everything alright. That's matter, brethren. Yeah, man, yeah, blessed every time in God name, say.
Put up the money and I make them thief it.
No, man, I'm not about man. That's how hard it come because do. Yeah, blessed every time we start in God name. Yeah.
The soul get the wheelchair. Once we get the pole,
Alright.
to put up the barrier.
Yeah.
So you can use the wheelchair.
Right.
Once we get the pole, so.
Yeah, we want to try to get something come on road, you know.
Yeah, man, don't worry, man, it's there, man.
Alright, bless it.
We're going to put up the pole because
God.
the ramp is there now.
Come here, say this, me open over this, you know.
We need a pole. We're going to put the railing. We're going to put a railing right here. So people see it here. We're going to put a railing right here. We can make sure we have like a support going down. So that's in the making. So Amigo will get in things soon as possible. So that's the ramp. So we just need to complete now with the railing right in the side part here. So and it's good to go. Yeah. Hold on. Pauline, how you doing? Yeah, give them the Afrobeat. Yeah. Like the Jacksons back in the days. I like it. Afro. Natural. She look different now with the Afro. So different. Yeah, alright though.
Not quite, because my house leaking.
The house leaking as well.
Yeah.
Leaking bad.
Yeah.
There's so much preparing you to do in TrenchTown, there's so much, I'm telling you. So we're gonna see what can do, yeah?
Yeah, and the toilet, we don't have any toilet.
You know, a toilet as well. So where you use toilet?
Run by the back and sometimes it lock up.
Oh, run by the back?
Yeah.
Sometimes it lock up. Struggle is really, you know? Struggle is really bad. Everything in prayers, yeah? So, yeah, everything in prayers. So if anything to happen, it will definitely happen, yeah? It will definitely happen, huh? I'm bring some stuff for you. Right. You know you have to go.
I just rest it here, sir.
No, you have to go bring it in. You have to go bring it in for her.
Chava, I call one of them then.
Just put the right side over here.
Carry it in for her, Carl. That's what me the door. Yeah. What me the door and that's the rest of things. Yeah, so that's from Nurse Jackie. Her name is Nurse Jackie. We'll send that for you.
Yeah.
From New York, so you can just tell her thanks.
Thank you very much, Nurse Jackie.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best. And may the good Lord bless and keep you.
Yeah, every time. Yeah, man, God bless you. And I got a donation for you as well too. From Nana. Her name is Nana. She lives in the UK. $1,500. Hold on. So you can count it, let you see.
Yeah.
So that's $1,500 from Nana. So you can just tell her.
Thank you very much, man. And I appreciate everything that you are doing.
Yeah.
So keep up the good work, see you.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. God bless you, yeah?
Yeah.
And just
thank
stay
you.
safe. And as I say, if anything can happen, yeah, we will definitely come and assist you, yeah?
Okay.
So we're going to take everything in consideration and see what can happen.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah? So we're hoping for the best. Alright then, so take care, yeah? So you see me
May
soon
the good
again.
Lord give you all and strength.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, man, thank you for that. That's well needed.
And life abundantly.
Yeah. Thank you so much, because that's well needed, you know, the health and the strength. This journey is very long, you know, man.
True.
So we need definitely strength to carry on.
Yeah, that's why have to appreciate what you're doing. From there's life, there is hope.
Hope, yeah. And that's true. Once there is life, there is hope. So everything is possible. Yeah, so stay here if you will see me again. Alright? You'll see me soon again. Alright?
Okay, good day.
Good day.
Thank you all.
Yeah, man, God bless you. Yes, Mama B, how you doing? You're right. How old are you now?
81.
81. Wow. Your birthday gone already? Yeah. Which month?
April.
April. She look young and fresh, man. You really do a good work up here still, in my general.
Yeah, man, I thought
You can see it.
we have to do good at all time, you know.
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
them have held our foundation.
Of course.
You know?
Of course.
Yeah.
You really do a good job because you can see, you know, really show up how mama look fresh and healthy, you know.
Yeah.
Always smiling, that's what I like about her, you know. So, but I'm not going to keep you too long as well, too, because you're just a viewer of the program, watch the program, they want to know as unknown, you know, want any name, and they donate 5,000 that you would do to the golden age. So they're unknown, we're from Brooklyn, and live in Brooklyn, New York. Yeah.
I say go on.
So that's a 5,000 towards the golden age.
On behalf of the Irish of the Golden Age home, we appreciate this 5,000 can go and look a long way, you know.
Yeah.
Well, I accept anybody will make a contribution to this home because they don't know the foundation of this home. I just by we are some youngster, we see elderly person like them, you need of help, and we just set it up and it around, you know.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
give thanks and praise and unknown. Respect, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, every time, man. So give thanks, man, unknown from Brooklyn, New York. I would thank you so much for the support, you know. God bless you. And as I say, I'm not going to really keep you, you know, because from say you have things I do, and Mama see me, you know. So next time we'll catch up, and we can have a little time seeing me, yeah. So thank you so much, unknown from Brooklyn, for the support for the golden age. You know, and continue the good work, see me, my general, because you know, so you always do it. Yeah, so just continue seeing me, yeah? Mama, hope next birthday I come cut the cake with you. Next birthday I come cut the cake.
If I am around.
You'll definitely be around. You will definitely be around, man. Alright, yeah? Yeah, man.
Well, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the Irish of the Golden Age home to show Miss Monica in England our respect and appreciation for what she do for Glenn Whitaker. Because Glenn Whitaker, him lose her foot. And you know it take money for her foot. And she actually send that money to me. 486,000 for purchase of food for him. So now it's in the procedure I deal with. So Miss Monica, lots of respect. Because we know she look on your program. She tell me about it. The program at all times. So So Miss Monica, respect for that. And appreciate it.
That's great, man. Yeah, man. Much blessings, Monica. God bless you, man, and thank you for the support. You know, because you know it's really needed, you know.
Yes.
And we can't thank you as much, but boy, that's a maximum thanks from we and the Almighty for what you done for the man that's well needed of a leg. You know, deeply consider of his situation, and that's really, really good. You know that people out there looking in, you know, and see the best possible way they can help out someone for the community, you know, and that's so great. Yeah, man, Monica, man, much blessings, man, and give thanks,
she
man.
really called me and tell me say she have a car and she have a sell it, you know. And she deal with it and send the money come. So she and her sister. So we appreciate that.
Alright then. Yeah, man. Alright then. Blessings, Monica, man, and God bless you every time.
Yeah.
So take care. Alright then, Derby, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright
Respect
then,
my
big
brother.
time.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, so you say you want a little
We
radio?
have CD radio. It's small little one to play gospel music, you know?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna sort that out for
Thank
you.
you. God bless
Yeah?
you. Yes.
Nice to CD radio for you where you can play.
Yes, just a small little one, you know, nothing big. Yes.
Definitely,
God
man.
bless you.
And that's gonna be my birthday gift to you, you know?
Alright, thank you.
Definitely. I know that
Yeah.
Spraga. Come here, Spraga. I mean Spraga, because Stacy from the UK, you know the sofa chair, for Stulu. Yeah. You know, Stacy, she sent the rest of the funds towards the sofa chair for Stulu. So how far you reach now upon it?
Well, it only thing I don't know, you know. I just cover it when you're ready for it. Just send it over.
Yeah.
So now I go just cover it and make it go over to store. I will build it up and everything, you know.
So you put on the clothes for
Clothes are left to go on it. So true, I have no storage here. You can't put on the clothes on it until it is shipped out.
Okay.
That's the reason why it not cover it.
Yeah.
Because I don't really have nowhere to store them. When we can store the raw material, when it have on clothes, which part it's stored, in a raw material, it can't really store this up when it have on the clothes.
Okay.
So that's why it not have on the clothes yet.
So once you have on the clothes, that for us
Ship out
straight away. Yeah, man. And we give thanks for Stacey from the UK, you know, for purchasing this sofa chair from Carl for Stulu. Thank you so much. So this is the rest of the funding, which is $18,000 from Stacey from the UK. This is the balance of what we did give you from before. So that complete the payment for the sofa chair for Stulu. So
Stacey from the UK, thanks, you know, and I appreciate, you know, help to support the business that it can get stronger, you know. Guys, I appreciate it, you know. Because without the dream team, this wouldn't possible. And without the donors. So a whole heap of gratitude and love, you know. Yeah, man, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate everything. Yeah, man.
Because without them, it
couldn't possible. And without you yourself, Kino. Because you are the one I like to think. So I will just give thanks to everyone. You, the donor, Father God, everything. I will just give thanks and show your appreciation.
Every time.
So respect again in a Stacey.
So respect and give thanks, and thank you so much, Stacey, for supporting Carl on his journey and his business, you know. That's the second purchase through the program. The first one is from a friend of Kino and the dream team that support the cause for Napisha Sofa. And now you got Stacey that support Stulu through Carl business as well too. So it only can encourage Carl to continue and put in the good work we've been doing, CMA, you know, and continue him skills. Because because you know say if anything when I dash not dead, you know dash it away. And him having talent and him skills, so he's still alive, so we can dash it away. So thank you so much for endorsing that for Carl, so he can continue from there on. So Stacey from the UK.
Yeah, man, big up Stacey, man. Enough love and enough respect, man. Hope the good Lord just keep shining blessing upon him. Hope the food basket never empty. To all of the donors them, respect. Because we do a great job. The Prime Minister, nobody will have it so much. Now put in a strength. And when we appreciate, God touch you, want to find it in our heart if we can do something for someone. So I just we the people now for show our appreciation and our gratitude to all. Because with you're not going to lose half of me. No time. Because if I never phone you, I know my trade would have still hide me under the carpet.
True.
So now I take it out, I'm to be ungrateful. Yeah, we don't do that. That's why I think our Richie Spice, I one of them do the tune. I said never last no way.
Yeah.
Never see the hype and get confused.
Yeah.
That I don't know where we that.
True.
So whole heap of love, whole heap of respect. And big up yourself, Kino.
Yeah, every time, man. Give
Enough
thanks
love.
to the Almighty, you know.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much to our donors, you know, make it possible for Carl. God bless you know all. And may no food basket never empty. I hope God keep on giving the health and strength to carry on in the journey. You know, and blessings on top of blessings for Uno. Because as we him say, without Uno, it would have been possible. And without the hands of the Almighty and the strength, it would have been possible. So give thanks to all, man, and thank you so much for supporting this program. It's been a journey, and we still continue seeing me. So give thanks to all, and God bless you. Carl?
Yeah, man. One love people. Big up on yourself.
Every time.
Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.